So guys, I'm completely speechless because it was my first ever gift from YouTube. I think it really has motivated me today to continue doing the good work that's coming on in. Thank you very much, YouTube, for this amazing, sweet gesture, I must say. And it has really motivated me to continue doing the work that I'm doing. Thank you for this beautiful incentive, and God bless us all. I would also like to take this beautiful opportunity to wish you all a very happy new year. May God bless us all with good health, great wealth, great amount of wealth, and lot of happiness. Thank you very much. Happy New Year again.